Hello guys, welcome to Jojo Bee Designs. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing some PLP files as an appreciation for 700 subscribers plus. So guys, we can get it to 1k guys, let's do that. So today I'll just be sharing some PLP files with you guys. So go to Pixellab and now let me just show you the PLP files I'll be sharing. So let me just show you some PLP files I'll be sharing. I'll be sharing more as usual. So let's just do that now. So these are the PLP files. I'm sharing this one. So it's totally editable. You can do a lot of things with that. Also this fitness flyer, you can maneuver your way with it. So everything there, you can just use it. Also this beauty flyer, I removed the logo for safety purposes. So and this church flyer also. So as I said earlier, I'll be sharing more. So let's just show you how to open the PLP file from YouTube if you download it from YouTube. So let me just go to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so I'm back at my YouTube channel now. So let's just go. I'm using a decoy video to hide the link, but it will be in its own link. So in case if you download it and how the procedure and how you go with it. So I kept the link here. So the link was here, but it will be under its own link, its own video. So this is just an explanation video so that you can just understand what I'm saying. So let's just go to the description now. And where resources is written, you click on resources. You click on the link. So it's going to redirect you to where the PLP file is. So while it's redirecting you, you just click on it. Will show a pop-up ad. You click on block. Then it said please wait 5 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Then it will show skip ad. Then you click on skip ad. So it's going to allow you. It's a pop-up ad. It's going to pop up and say press allow to continue. So you click allow, and it's going to redirect you to your Google Drive where the PLP files are located. So from there you can download the PLP files and open it. So I'll be showing you how to open it also. So guys, it's going to show you your Gmail account. So anyone you want to use to open it, you click on OK. So it's going to open in your Google Drive now. So you can see the heading PLP files, Jojo Bee Designs. So PLP 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's just download PLP 1 and show and download it and see how it works. So it's downloaded now. Now what you have to do now is go back to your home screen and refresh your Pixelab, refresh it, minimize it and clear it. And now let's get there. So now we're back at the Pixelab. What you do now is click on the three dots on there, open PLP file. So you click on that PLP button, the PLP button up there. So you click on it. You click on the up arrow sign, then you go to your download. That's here. So you just scroll down till you see PLP1. That's it. So you can open and add to save it among your project files, but since I have it among my project files, let me just hide open only. So I click back now and see it's open. So you can do anything you want with it. You can so that's it guys, and you can do that for all the remaining PLP files also. So that's just how to go about it. So thank you like, share, subscribe, and share to your friends. And guys, let's reach 1,000 subscribers, please. Thank you. Have a nice day. Boom.